Oni-chan, I'm stuck in the... Oni-chan, I'm stuck in the train. Can you help me? Oh no, Oni-chan, I appear to be stuck. I appear to be glitched into this walk. Whatever shall we do? That's good, bro. Thank you. Thank you for that. That's really good. For those of you that just got here, while we were playing Dead by Daylight, I was playing as Killer. I got stuck in a bunch of rocks for whatever reason. And then somebody wanted the DVD people because it's the 5th anniversary, and they thought, oh, I know a good idea. Let's put some awesome, epic quotes from all the people on the team in the game. And one of them was the Oni-chan. Oh no, Oni-chan. So yeah, that's where we did not start this unprompted, okay? Dead by Daylight started it first. We can actually say that, alright? Alright. Crown, thank you very much. Thank you.